One of the most common mistakes I see when people stretch their hamstrings has to do with trying to touch their toes. When we're stretching our hamstrings, there's actually a much more effective way to target them than just focusing on getting your hands to your toes. That's what everybody always says, right? I can't touch my toes. Instead, I want you to try something different with me. Come into a seated position and bend your knees. Find a nice, flat back and create a belly-to-thigh connection. Right now, your knees should be bent enough that they're close to your belly. They don't have to touch completely, but you should feel comfortable here. Now, reach for your toes. It will probably feel easier. If you still can't reach your toes, that's completely okay. You can grab onto your knees or hold behind your thighs. The goal is the same, to help you maintain that belly-to-thigh connection. From here, slide one foot forward, then the other. Notice how you feel. Readjust if needed so you maintain a straight spine and that belly-to-thigh connection. Keep sliding forward gradually. Wherever you're holding on, continue sliding. Stop once you feel a stretch. Take a deep breath in and exhale. Try to melt deeper into the stretch. One more time. Inhale and exhale. Can you slide out a little further? With each exhale, allow yourself to move slightly deeper. Eventually, you'll reach your end range. You're not aiming to go completely flat right away. The purpose is to help you go further over time. If you're rounding like this, you're stretching your back, not your hamstrings. Right now, my hamstrings aren't being properly engaged. They activate when I send my tailbone back. Not everyone can do that right away, so to access that pull, you need to keep your knees bent. In this position, you'll feel the stretch in your hamstrings because you're creating that tension properly. The hamstrings connect to your sit bones, so this alignment is key. If you're trying to reach your toes with a rounded back, this is why your hamstring flexibility isn't improving. That's why you need to focus on belly-to-thigh connection, a straight spine, and gradually sliding forward to your limit. Breathe and stay here for at least 8 counts. Inhale again, and as you exhale, allow yourself to melt further into the stretch. This might feel like your limit right now, and that's okay. With consistent breathing, you'll eventually be able to go further with ease. But for now, this is your edge. Keep breathing. And that's how you unlock new levels. If you found this helpful or learned something new, drop a comment below. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this helped, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for practicing with me. If you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you'd like to take it a step further, for less than the price of a coffee, you can join my membership. You'll get access to exclusive classes, live streams, and much more. Your support helps me continue creating videos to guide you on your mobility and flexibility journey, something I'm truly passionate about. Once again, thank you for being here, and I'll see you in the next one.